Yeah, I got a table full of goodness. Hey guys, welcome back to techgooch, and rather than a video review today, we're going to kind of go into a little bit of a gift guide. This is not going to be a very long video. I'm not going into reviews of each of these products. However, I'm going to make some recommendations of products that you may want to consider, not just for yourself, but also for your loved ones, friends, family, things like that, that you're considering buying gifts for this holiday season. And today is Black Thursday, basically, Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving. But these are some products. Some of these are actually going to be on pretty good sales this holiday season. Some of them not as good as sales or not a sale at all, but these are going to be some products that I highly recommend because they are fantastic. I would not put a product up here that I wouldn't buy myself. A lot of these I did buy myself. Some of them were sent to me, and I still would buy them if I had a choice. So these are some of those products that I do recommend. And I'm just going to obviously not name off them. We're going to get a few of these big ones out of the way. So, Nito Bot Vac. Huge fan of it. This is the D5. I'm actually on the works to hopefully get a D7 to test as well that I'm purchasing. So, that should be here next week. So, watch for that review soon. But these things are awesome. D5, fantastic vacuum. We also have Sonos products. This is the Sonos Sonos One. Sorry, this is the one with Alexa built in. I'm sorry about that. But this speaker, and actually all the Sonos lineup, to be honest, are also on sales this holiday season, as is the Nito, to be honest. But they sound fantastic. They're a great way to add on more. If you know you have a Sonos lover in your family, great gift. Not just the one, but also the Play 1s, Play 3s, Play 5s, Play Bar, the Beam, all of them. They're all great. So that's another great product to consider. I'm going to throw back here to an older video I did on the Anova. This is a Sous Vide cooker. This one actually is the Wi-Fi model. If you're not familiar with Sous Vide, highly recommend you look into it. Definitely check out the video. Below, I'm going to put links to all these products where you can purchase. I'm also going to, below that, I'm going to put links to all my product videos that I've done on ones that I've done them on, which is most of these, not all of them yet. A few of them are actually coming soon. So, but Sous Vide cooker. I just had my pre-Thanksgiving this past weekend that I cooked some turkey breast in the sous vide. You just can't beat the turkey breast you get out of a sous vide. So kind of ruins it with Thanksgiving if you do it usually just in an oven. This makes it taste better. So let's get rid of another big box. That's going to be drones in general, but DJI, I have the Mavic Pro Platinum, which is the older one. This one is on sale this Black Friday, so definitely check this out. It's at the cheapest price it's ever been at, and I highly recommend this this one. Now, of course, the Mavic 2 Pros and the Mavic 2 Zoom are out, and they're awesome in their own right. They have better cameras, no doubt, but for the money, can't beat this guy. Still flies for 30 minutes, and sounds a lot quieter than the original Mavic Pro, so definitely check that out. We'll get rid of the HomePod real quick because this one is a hard one to say that it goes on sale. It's expensive. But if you have a music lover, and especially if they're an Apple user and they use Apple Music, there is no other smart speaker made that sounds as good as a HomePod. That's not just my opinion. That's a lot of people's opinions. So nothing against the other speakers out there. These are a lot more capable, I'll be honest. But for music lovers, highly recommend the HomePod. I love mine. I can't wait to get more, actually. I'm going to put more and more rooms. So, that's me. Nintendo Switch. Probably not going to find it on sale anywhere. But it's awesome. And I love playing those old Nintendo games now with the new online modes where you can pay your monthly or yearly fee to access their online playability. You get all those classic games. So, fantastic product. Unfortunately, not a cheaper product right now, but still awesome in its own right. We're going to get rid of the last big box I have, and this is the Eero Pro series. I have gone through so many routers in the last 2 years, and of course, it's not for me. It was mainly for you guys, to show you all of the various options out there, and I've done setup videos on all of them, as well as this one. And this is currently my router of choice, personally. I also like the Amplify system out there, which I no longer have currently. That's a shout out to a product I don't have on the table. But the Eero Pro, if I'm going to make a recommendation for my family, this is the router that I would personally choose, and I have personally chosen to put in my home. All right, so Ecobee. So Ecobee smart thermostats. There are Nest thermostats. There are Honeywell smart thermostats. I am a huge fan of the Ecobees. Not only do they have Amazon's Assistant built in, they work very, very well. The extra room sensor is fantastic. I'm actually going to add more room sensors here shortly, so I have more points of contact in my house, so I know more about what's going on. But that, those sensors are great. If you're not familiar with this, check out my review video, and highly recommend checking this out. Also on sale this Black Friday, so fantastic product there. All right, now we're down to some smaller boxes. Let's go talk about TV. I have two products. Both products I do recommend. They're both at two different budgets, basically. You have your Apple TV. This is the 4K version, the newer version. I just got the 4K version because I just got my new 4K TV, and so I upgraded to the new 4K box as well. Yeah, this is my favorite box ever. I was a huge fan of the 4th generation Apple TVs, but this takes the cake. It is so much more powerful than the old version was. I didn't know it was that much of a difference until I had it. And yes, not just 4K video that you get from iTunes and everything. I do a lot of my video sharing on Plex, and I share native 4K videos. And a lot of the 4K videos I shot at 60 frames per second with my GoPro Hero 7 Black. This plays it with ease. The old one didn't. You had to transcode it. So awesome, awesome. And then you got the Fire TV Stick 4K, which is the new Fire TV 4K device. I had the Cube. I'm not a big fan of the Cube. I really am not. I sold it because I didn't like it that much. Just got the 4K stick. I can get behind this product a little bit better. The remote is better now that it has volume controls and stuff on the remote. Big step up there, guys. Really big step up there. That's awesome. That actually makes this my first Amazon stick that I really do recommend people to look at and purchase. For the price point, you're looking at a substantially cheaper than an Apple TV. So I have both because they're both different products, and I'm probably going to keep both. So that's it. Let's get off to some hygiene products. Just get these out of the way. I have two hygiene products. I have a toothbrush, a sonic toothbrush, which this is a cheap sonic toothbrush. It really is. And it's not available directly. You can get, I think, a version of this on Amazon, but the company that makes it actually sells direct, and it is incredibly inexpensive. We're talking less than 20 bucks. So I'm going to put a link down below. Check it out. If you are a fan of sonic toothbrushes, maybe looking to get one for the kids, for a loved one, whatever, that still uses a manual, this is a way to get them cheap, but also the brush heads are incredibly cheap. They sent me this to review, and I am now a big fan. My wife actually switched over to this 100% of the time now. So, pretty awesome toothbrush. That said, I also have the Fisco, is the electric shaver. Now, I haven't used it actually for a few days, because I'm considering maybe rolling the beer back. But Fisco electric shaver, look, this is going to compare to those Philips Norelco razors that are out there, dead on. And it is awesome. By experience, I used this, well, now for 2 months, other than the past few days. I used it exclusively. I did not use anything else other than this. Nothing else to trim, nothing else to, oh man, I missed a spot or whatever. Oh, it's not working over there, so I'll use a different razor over there. No, just this. Worked fantastic. Have nothing but great things to say about it, and the blades are cheap too. So it's like less than 40 bucks, and this razor is awesome. So if you got maybe a teen that's maybe you're looking to get them their first razor, consider this. You can save a lot of money and still get a really good razor. I'm just setting them over here. So let's get these out of the way. The Eves, products that I actually just received a review, but I've already started testing them. This is the Eve Degree in the Eve Room, which are very similar in stature. Little guy here that shows you temperature. Monitors the room. You can pull up the app. You can actually see the trends and see where everything is going. With the Eve Room, it also does air quality. It actually looks at VOCs, volatile, basically things that are leaching from the various plastics and things that are in your room to measure the quality of the air in your room. So you can know maybe, look at that at that time of the day. Or if there's a storm coming in and the pressure changes and things get a little worse, when to actually do things maybe with an air purifier. Pretty cool. They also both measure humidity, so you know the dryness in your home. Pretty awesome products. They are HomeKit enabled, and so if you have a person with an Apple home, definitely recommend checking those out. I can't wait to show you guys more about them, and I actually have a couple more Eve products as well. So let's get into the smart speakers real quick, because I have 3 more, or 4 more technically. I have the old one here too. And I didn't bring this one down, sorry about that. The Echo speakers, these 2 are being previous generation. This being the brand new Echo Dot. And then we also have the Google Home Mini, which really hasn't changed since it came out. Look, for the price, you can get a previous generation Echo Dot pretty cheap. 30 bucks or less. And the newer one, you know, 50 bucks typically. Watch for sales on those, but I'll be honest with you. If you're just looking to control things, the previous generation is going to do you just fine. If you're looking to actually have some audio quality and maybe play some music through it, don't even look at this. Purchase the new one. If you're a Google Home or a Google household, the Google Home Mini, to be honest, to start, this is a better product than this, in my opinion. However, when you look at the new one, the new Echo Dot is better audio quality than the Google Play or Google Home Mini was now, so they did a big improvement on this. Can't wait to see what they do with a newer version of this when they eventually do bring it out. There's some things that I like about this one, but to be honest, the volume buttons on top are a big bonus on this guy, on the actual Echo Dot. As well as the audio output, so you can actually plug in another device into this and actually use a different set of speakers. Also a big plus over the Google Home Mini, and I mean just the physical buttons in general. So, and then of course, if you're looking for higher quality audio from Echo product, look at the Echo or the Echo Plus. The Echo Plus is even better yet. And now you can add the sub, and that's to any of these speakers for Echo products. The Echo sub, which I don't have a review of yet, I have not tested, but is only going to make things better, to be honest about it. So. Put those over there. I've already said one thing about it, but the Hero 7 Black from GoPro, it's an amazing camera. I got this. I had the Fusion. I don't have the Fusion anymore. I've kept this. This is now my exclusive GoPro or action camera, and it's amazing. The steady shot alone is worth it, to be honest. And my last little guy is my little SoundLink Mini, or Micro, I guess is what they call it, from Bose. Look, this is a very small Bluetooth speaker, but it is awesome, especially with the band. You can actually clip it. I actually use it on bikes. You clip it around the handlebar, and use this all my bike rides this last year. I have nothing but great things to say about it. So that is the gist, and some great product ideas for you. If nothing else, even if you didn't see a product that you want, maybe you got an idea for somebody else, or maybe one of the products that you're looking at, a different product for somebody else, great. These are just about ideas. So if you have any questions or comments, please post those below. I do want to hear at the end of the video, say, anybody that's still hanging around, I appreciate you, I really do. This past year has been a lot of highs and a lot of lows for me. I lost my father, which is why if you watched my channel, all of a sudden my record making videos trend went to 0. I took a very long leave of absence. I did start a new job. That was the first 3 weeks of it, and then my dad went to the hospital, and then I lost him, and everything kind of went into turmoil for not just me, but mainly for my mother and my younger brother. And a lot of my free time has been to trying to help out there as best I can, but also just to get my life back on track, to be honest. So I apologize for not taking as much time doing the videos. I plan on doing a lot more here soon. I have a lot of products in the queue, to be honest, that I did not get to, that I do plan on getting to and showing you guys. I apologize for the tardiness of those videos, but thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. If you have time, if you want to help me at all, it's about checking out my videos of these various products, checking out the links on Amazon where you can purchase them. And if you're looking at purchase them, if you can purchase them through the links, that just helps me out. I appreciate it. But I'm trying to get back on track to do what I like to do. And I appreciate you watching, and I appreciate your support. So thank you for staying to the end, and we'll catch you here for more videos very soon. Thanks for watching, guys.